Hi everyone! Today, we're diving deep into a core concept of Unix-like systems, pseudo-terminals, often called PuTTYs or TTYs. Understanding these is key to knowing how you interact with your command line. Let's break down what they are and why they're so important. First, let's talk about the TTY part. TTY stands for teletypewriter. Historically, this was a physical machine, like an electric typewriter, connected to a computer. It had a keyboard for input and a printer for output. In the Unix world, a TTY evolved to become a kernel driver. This driver manages input from your keyboard and output to your screen. It's the standard interface between a human user and a shell program, like bash or zsh. When you type a command, the TTY driver handles that input. When the shell prints output, the TTY driver sends it to your display. It's the bridge that allows you to talk to your operating system. Now, let's move to PuTTY, which means pseudo-TTY. The pseudo part is crucial here. A PuTTY is not a physical device. It's entirely software-based. It's a virtual terminal that simulates a traditional TTY. Think of it as a fake TTY, but in a good way. A PuTTY always comes in a pair, consisting of two ends, a master and a slave. The PuTTY master is controlled by an application. This application acts like the user connecting to the terminal. Examples include your terminal emulator program, like xterm, gnome-terminal, or xterm. It could also be an SSH client, or a session multiplexer like screen or tmux. The PuTTY slave, on the other hand, behaves exactly like a regular TTY. This is where your shell program runs. The shell doesn't know it's talking to a virtual terminal. It thinks it's interacting with a real, physical TTY. This clever setup allows for incredible flexibility. So, why do we need PuTTYs? They are fundamental for modern computing. One major reason is remote access. When you use SSH to connect to a remote server, your SSH client on your local machine acts as the PuTTY master. The shell running on the remote server uses a PuTTY slave. This creates a secure, interactive session over a network, making it feel like you are directly connected to the server. Another common use is with terminal emulators. Every time you open a windowed terminal application on your desktop, that application is acting as a PuTTY master. It provides the visual interface, handles mouse clicks, and displays text. Inside that window, your shell runs on a PuTTY slave. Session multiplexers like screen and tmux also rely heavily on PuTTYs. They allow you to run multiple shell sessions within a single terminal window, detach from them, and reattach later, even from a different computer. This is possible because screen or tmux themselves become the PuTTY master, managing the various virtual terminals. PuTTYs are also used in scripting and automation, especially when a script needs to interact with a program that specifically expects a TTY for input, like sudo prompting for a password. You can even see these PuTTYs in action. Type the command TTY in your terminal, and it will show you the path to your current PuTTY slave, typically something like /dev/pts/0. The /dev/pts/ directory often lists the available pseudo-terminal slave devices. In summary, TTYs were the original physical interface, and PuTTYs are their software counterparts, enabling powerful features like remote access, graphical terminal emulators, and session management. They are the invisible backbone of your command line experience. Thank you so much for watching and learning about this crucial Unix concept. If you found this explanation helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more deep dives into how your computer works. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you next time.